There's a style of YouTube video right now that is quietly blowing up small channels, not massive creators, small channels like you. Channels with 200 subscribers, 500 subscribers, they're suddenly getting tens of thousands of views, sometimes hundreds of thousands. Now, normally when something like this happens, it's because of one of three things: better editing, more expensive production, or a big personality. But this trend is the opposite. These videos are ridiculously simple. No fancy editing, no expensive gear. Sometimes the entire video is just one person talking, which makes the whole thing feel a bit like cheating, because the barrier to entry is basically zero. But there's a real reason this format works so well, and once you understand it, you'll start noticing it everywhere. So in this video, I'm going to break down the simple video style that's blowing up small channels right now, why the algorithm loves it, and how you can use it even if your channel is tiny. Because if you're a small creator right now, this might be one of the easiest ways to start getting traction. Most small creators think growth comes from making better videos. Better camera, better lighting, better editing, more cinematic. But here's the problem. When you're small, the biggest obstacle usually isn't production, it's connection with your audience. People don't watch small channels because they think they look professional. They watch because something about the video feels real, relatable, honest, something that they can get behind. And the format that's blowing up right now leans heavily into that idea. You've probably seen this style already. The thumbnail is really simple, usually just the creator's face, maybe a short phrase, something like, "Why I almost quit YouTube, the truth about being a small creator, this changed my life," or in this case, basically cheating. The video itself is even simpler. One person talking directly to the camera, sharing a story, sharing an insight, no fancy edits, just authentic conversation, and surprisingly, that simplicity is exactly why it works. YouTube's algorithm has changed a lot over the past few years. It's no longer just about clicks or watch time. The system is constantly measuring viewer satisfaction. And one of the biggest signals of satisfaction is retention. Do people stay engaged? Do they keep watching? Do they feel connected to the video? And the conversational storytelling tone is incredibly powerful for this, because humans are wired to listen to stories. When someone starts telling a story, our brains want to know what happens next, which naturally increases retention. But here's the interesting part. This style actually gives small creators an advantage, because when big creators try to do this format, it can sometimes feel a bit too polished, too produced, too scripted maybe. But when a small creator does it, it feels a bit more authentic, I feel. It feels like someone sharing something real. And as humans, we really connect with that. Think about how people usually use YouTube. Sometimes they want entertainment, sometimes they want education, but a lot of the time they want something else. They want perspective. They want to hear someone talk about an experience they can relate to. The struggle of being a small creator, the lessons they've learned, the insights that they've found. That's why videos like why your channel isn't growing, why nobody tells you about YouTube, or the truth about starting a channel perform so well. They feel honest. Now here's where things get a bit interesting, because even though those videos feel casual, the best ones actually follow a pretty specific structure. It usually looks like a strong hook at the start, something relatable, something vulnerable, something that creates curiosity. For example, I almost quit YouTube 3 years ago. Immediately people want to know why. Then comes the story, the struggle, the challenge, the moment where things felt stuck. This creates tension, and eventually the insight appears, the lesson, the shift in perspective, the realization. That release of tension is extremely satisfying for viewers, and that's why they keep watching. When you're a small creator, you have something powerful, something big creators slowly lose: relatability. You're closer to the audience, closer to the struggle, closer to the journey, which I think makes you feel more valuable. Think about it like this: someone with 50 million subscribers talking about early struggles, it feels a bit hollow, a bit distant, like they're not really there anymore, are they? Can they really speak on this topic? But someone with 200 subscribers talking about their journey, it feels real, and viewers connect with that authenticity. Now, obviously, this format isn't magic. You can't just sit in front of a camera and ramble for 15 minutes. It's probably not going to work. The videos that perform well still have a structure, a clear idea, clear storytelling, but the production barrier is incredibly low, which means small creators can focus on what actually matters, and that is the message of your video. So if you want to try this style, start with topics that feel personal, experiences, lessons, realizations perhaps. For example, why I almost quit my YouTube channel, or the mistake that kept my channel under 100 views, or maybe like something like what I learned from 50 videos. These titles naturally create curiosity, and they invite storytelling. And then when you film the video, keep it simple. One camera, direct eye contact, conversational tone, almost like you're just talking to a friend, because that authenticity is the entire point and it really resonates with people. The reason thumbnails like basically cheating work so well is because they create a curiosity gap. They're simple but intriguing. Viewers see them and think, wait, what does that actually mean? That tiny moment of curiosity is what drives clicks. It stops the scroll and it gets people to click on your video, you know. And when the video actually delivers on that curiosity, and of course YouTube will notice this, high click-through rate, high retention, high satisfaction, big push. The biggest advantage of this format, of course, is speed. These videos are very easy to make, which means you can make more of them, more experiments, more ideas, more opportunities to improve. And improvement is the real engine behind YouTube growth. You see, a lot of small creators think they need better gear, better editing, or better production. But right now, the channels growing the fastest, that are the smallest, are often doing the opposite. They're just simplifying everything. Talk honestly, share your stories, connect with viewers. And that simple format is quietly outperforming far more complicated videos right now, which is why for small creators, it almost feels like cheating. So if you want to understand the biggest mistake that keeps small channels stuck under 100 views, I broke that down here in another video, because once you see that mistake, you'll understand why some channels grow faster than others.